Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of cardio exercises and how they can benefit our heart health. Did you know heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? It's crucial to spark some interest in cardio exercises for a healthier heart. In today's video, we're discussing the importance of cardio exercises in maintaining a healthy heart and overall well-being. Our sedentary lifestyles and unhealthy eating habits are major contributors to heart problems. It's time to prioritize regular cardio workouts to combat these issues. So, what are the best cardio exercises for a healthy heart? Think running, cycling, swimming, and high-intensity interval training, HIIT workouts. These activities not only get your heart pumping, but also come with numerous benefits for your cardiovascular health. Consistent cardio exercises can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and improve your overall cardiovascular health. It's amazing how a little sweat session can make such a big difference to your heart health. Regular cardio workouts help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and boost your overall energy levels. Moreover, cardio exercises support weight management, which is another critical factor in maintaining a healthy heart. Even moderate intensity activities like brisk walking can have substantial benefits if done consistently. The best part? You don't need a gym membership. You can start right at home or in your neighborhood. To wrap it up, cardio exercises are a game changer for your heart health. Remember to include them in your daily routine to reap all the amazing benefits they offer. I encourage you to try out different cardio exercises and see which ones you enjoy the most. Incorporate cardio into your lifestyle to enhance heart health, boost energy, and manage weight effectively. Start today for a healthier tomorrow. Incorporate simple cardio exercises into your daily routine to enjoy improved heart health and increased energy levels. Start your journey to a healthier you today. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Let's take charge of our heart health together. Thanks for watching and see you next time.